There is a real growing appetite and interest in making sure that the outdoor here is really well used and well capitalised upon.
That's what's going to attract professionals here, and if you give them the facilities that makes this place so great and building what's here already, I think that will make a huge difference.
Well, I think the main theme you'll probably hear today is transport, connectivity throughout the town.
I would like to see a far greater connection between the town itself and the waterfront. It's a terrific asset, it's underutilised currently. I'd like to see more indoor attractions as well, places where people, when they've come, perhaps the weather isn't always as perfect as we might hope for.
I think it just needs to pick up the pace and really seize the opportunity that's there from the associated economic activity, from the investment in the town, and bring everything else up to scratch with it. It's got great potential.
Well, community voice needs to be heard, there's no doubt about it.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for the community to come and reflect on the draft master plan for Fort William and Loch Harbour and the huge opportunities that present themselves to the local population at this point in time.
I think today is a very good opportunity for everybody really around the town to be able to pool their eyes together and to work on things that have already been discussed in the past and take them forward for future development.
It's about collaboration going forward, getting the ideas set down, looking at the milestones and working out the art of the possible.
There are many opportunities, and we need to make sure that we can maximise the benefit for individuals, communities and businesses going forward, not just the projects that are planned, but actually the whole impact on how Fort William grows as a centre in the West Highlands.
Well, so far it sounds like everybody's interested and they're really keen to move the town forward, which is something we need. We need a good plan to actually not necessarily expand the town, but improve the town.